Am I scared right now? Am I a joke? It's not visible. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and leave comments for me. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I wanna do Halloween makeup. I never done this before in my entire life. Let's begin. I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. I'm gonna use this paper glue on my eyebrows. I don't have face paint material, so I have to. Now I use paper glue. I use a lot. I use a brush and I brush my eyebrows. Let me see myself. It's like mountain. Now I wanna use a lot of moving powder. Apply it on my eyebrows. Now just wipe out a little extra. Just a little. Now I wanna use color corrector on my eyebrows. This is a little too orange. Wow. Perfect. Now I blend it with a dry sponge. I don't know what should I do. I don't know. Maybe I should use yellow color corrector on it. And again, a bunch of powder. I wanna use white aqua color for my face, but I don't know it works or not. Let's try it. Not bad. Maybe I should do this. It's kind of messy. Maybe I should do this with another material. I want to do it with this palette. This palette on my aqua color. I don't know what I do. Or maybe I should wash it off. No. I don't do it. This is so I washed my face and come back. Let's do it again. Now blended it down with blender. I don't remember I told you or not. I wanna do Art the Clown look. Now I add some dimension on my face. I want it to be a bit scarier, so I get it to here. or a bit close here and a bit here, and here. It's a Halloween makeup, so I don't blend these parts too much. Am I scared right now? So now I'm gonna fix it with a ton of losing powder. Now I start with my eyebrows. I use an eyeliner and create an eyebrow. This is so hard. Someone help me. Now I have long and attractive eyebrows. Now I use black eyeshadow on my eyeliner. I always love to try having it, but I never had enough confidence to do it. But today I decided to finally do it and filming the video. I don't know why. For my lips, I'm gonna do a random messy pattern. Like a big lips from here. I use this palette, this black color. Am I scared right now? Am I a joke? Now I create a long line here and here to become scary. No, I really can't see the line. My eyeliner died. My face is... maybe I should stop doing this. I need some details here, like I don't know, some details like this. Can you see it? Or this, and another one here. It's not visible. I need some details and here and here and here as well. Lines like this one. No, a bit. Okay. Okay. A line here and here. Finish. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and leave comments for me. Thank you.